Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you add custom domain in Webflow, so let's get started. First, log in to your Webflow dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your projects. Click on the one you want to connect your domain to. Make sure you've selected the correct project so you don't accidentally edit the wrong site. Next, go to the Publish button located at the top right corner of your screen. Click it, and you'll see an option called Add Custom Domain. Click that option. This tells Webflow that you want people to visit your site through your own domain instead of the default Webflow subdomain. Before you proceed, note that connecting a custom domain requires a paid Webflow plan. The free version allows testing and design, but you'll need at least the basic site plan to publish to your own domain. If you haven't upgraded yet, Webflow will automatically redirect you to the plans page, where you can choose and activate your plan. Once your plan is active, return to the domain connection screen and enter your custom domain name, for example, yourbusinessname.com. After you enter it, Webflow will give you specific DNS records that need to be added to your domain provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Copy those records and paste them in your domain's DNS settings. It may sound a bit technical, but think of it like updating your address so visitors know exactly where to find your website. After that, go back to Webflow and publish your site again. Once the DNS changes take effect, your domain will be connected and live. And that's it. You've successfully connected your custom domain to your Webflow site. If something doesn't work right away, don't worry, sometimes DNS updates take a few hours. You can also contact Webflow support if you need help. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.